Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new and exciting project. Today, we have a special guest, an artificial intelligence with incredible abilities and knowledge. We are going to ask it some questions about various people, games, things, and other interesting topics to find out what it thinks about them. Are you ready to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of artificial intelligence? Then let's begin. In this interview, ChatGPT will provide a detailed answer to my question about 5 simple dinner recipes. ChatGPT will respond as if being asked questions during the interview, providing lengthy paragraphs of information. It will specifically describe each of the 5 recipes, detailing what ingredients are involved and how they should be prepared.
ChatGPT, sure. I'd be happy to provide you with detailed descriptions of 5 simple dinner recipes. Let's dive into each recipe and discuss the ingredients and cooking instructions for each one. Baked lemon herb chicken with roasted vegetables. This recipe offers a flavorful and healthy option for dinner. Here's what you'll need: chicken breasts or thighs, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic cloves, fresh herbs such as rosemary, thyme, or parsley, salt and pepper, assorted vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, zucchini, etc. To prepare this dish, start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the chicken, then sprinkle it with minced garlic and your choice of fresh herbs. Place the chicken on a baking sheet and add the vegetables around it. Drizzle some olive oil over the vegetables and season them with salt and pepper. Bake the chicken and vegetables in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Serve this delightful dish hot and enjoy the delicious flavors of the roasted chicken and vegetables. Pasta primavera. Pasta primavera is a delightful vegetarian dish filled with fresh vegetables and creamy pasta. Here's what you'll need: a pasta of your choice, linguine or fettuccine work well, assorted vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, etc. Olive oil, garlic cloves, heavy cream or half and half, grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, fresh basil or parsley, optional. Begin by cooking the pasta according to the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add minced garlic and sauté for a minute until fragrant. Then, add your chosen vegetables to the skillet and cook until they are tender crisp. Once the vegetables are cooked, pour in the heavy cream or half and half and stir well. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Drain the cooked pasta and add it to the skillet, tossing it with the sauce and vegetables. Serve the pasta primavera hot, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese and fresh basil or parsley for an extra burst of flavor. Beef stir-fry with vegetables. A quick and satisfying stir-fry is always a great option for dinner. Here's what you'll need: a beef, sirloin, flank steak, or your preferred cut, soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, fresh or ground, garlic cloves, assorted vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, carrots, etc. Cornstarch, rice or noodles, optional. For serving, start by slicing the beef into thin strips. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, sesame oil, minced ginger, and minced garlic to make the marinade. Add the beef strips to the marinade and let them sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. Heat some oil in a large skillet or wok over high heat. Add the marinated beef strips and cook them until they are browned on all sides. Remove the beef from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, stir-fry the vegetables until they are tender-crisp. In a small bowl, whisk together cornstarch and water to make a slurry. Return the beef to the skillet and pour the slurry over the beef and vegetables. Stir well and cook for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens. Serve the beef stir-fry over rice or noodles if desired. For a satisfying and flavorful dinner, caprese stuffed chicken breast. This recipe combines the classic flavors of caprese salad with juicy chicken breast. Here's what you'll need: chicken breasts, fresh mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, balsamic glaze or reduction, salt and pepper, olive oil. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Make a pocket in each chicken breast by cutting a slit horizontally through the thickest part, being careful not to cut all the way through. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Slice the mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, and basil leaves into thin pieces. Stuff the chicken breasts with the slices of mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil, alternating them to create layers of flavor. Secure the chicken breasts with toothpicks. If needed, heat olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the chicken on both sides until golden brown. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the toothpicks from the chicken and drizzle balsamic glaze or reduction over the top. Serve this delightful caprese stuffed chicken breast with a side salad or roasted vegetables. Shrimp and vegetable stir-fry with rice. For seafood lovers, the shrimp and vegetable stir-fry is a fantastic option. Here's what you'll need: shrimp, peeled and deveined, assorted vegetables, bell peppers, snow peas, carrots, broccoli, etc. Soy sauce, garlic cloves, ginger, fresh or ground, sesame oil, cornstarch, cooked rice. Begin by whisking together soy sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, and sesame oil in a bowl. Add the shrimp to the marinade and let them sit for about 15 minutes. Heat some oil in a large skillet or wok over high heat. Add the marinated shrimp and cook them until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set them aside. In the same skillet, stir-fry the vegetables until they are tender crisp. Return the shrimp to the skillet and mix everything together. In a small bowl, combine cornstarch with a little water to make a slurry. Pour the slurry into the skillet and stir well until the sauce thickens. Serve the shrimp and vegetable stir-fry over cooked rice for a delightful and filling dinner. I hope you find these recipes helpful and enjoy preparing these delicious dishes for your evening meals. Bon appetit!
Thank you for watching this video, and please leave a comment suggesting what else we should include in our new video. What would you like me to ask the artificial intelligence? Once again, thank you and have a great day.